Hey guys, it's been a while and I apologize for that, but I have a good excuse. So the last video I posted was when we went to Australia, no jobs, and tried to figure life out in Australia. And everything went great. We spent two and a half great months there, and I'll be posting videos about those. We were working on some really cool projects. We were turning an old horse trailer into a tiny home, but then I kind of hurt myself, so we had to leave that. But anyway, after that we went to New Zealand, and while we were in New Zealand, the New Zealand version of TSA took my computer hard drive. And this hard drive has our wedding videos, wedding photos, all of our scuba diving. It has everything on it. But they thought it was a power bank, because the brand is called Silicone Power. And I had it in my checked bag, and they took it, and I never noticed. So after a little while from flying, I checked and I couldn't find it anywhere. And I lose things a lot, so I thought I just lost it. But then I realized, no, it's legitimately gone. And then at the bottom of my bag, I found a small piece of paper that said, "We removed your power bank from your bag." So I called them up, and it was a pain in the butt because they have a stupid policy where they destroy it if it hasn't been claimed in 24 hours. So I thought everything was lost. But I talked to people. I was trying to be as nice as I could be. I was like, hey, I'll fly back to Queenstown and let me just come look through all of your junk. I really want to find my hard drive. So we couldn't get it while we were still in New Zealand, but we had to fly back to America for jobs. I can talk about that more. It was a mess. Me and Mandy both applied for federal jobs, but with the government shutdown, everything's been really slow and a pain in the butt. But anyway, they mailed this back, so now I can make the videos of Australia. So in the next couple of weeks, I'll be posting the videos from Australia and New Zealand. And then the next thing is this thing. So this, my friend, is a big old ugly van. And it's kind of similar to my last van, if you guys remember my camper van. And the plan is the same thing. I'm going to be turning this van into a camper van. And I have some big, very ambitious plans for it. I start firefighting again, forest fires. I'll be a hot shot this summer. And what is that, like 2 months now. So I don't have that big of a timeline, but I'll be working on this. And yeah, I'm really excited. So I'll be working on this during the day, and then during the night I'll be editing videos and posting them. So more content should be coming at you guys soon. But I'm really excited to start another camper van build. I have some big plans for it, and I really hope I can make it work out, because it's going to be amazing if I can make it all work out. But I'm actually back where I made my first primitive tiny home. It was my truck camper. I'll show a video of that. It worked for what I needed. It was great for in college, but it is ugly. It got bad gas mileage. It was cold. It had no insulation. So that's why I made the camper van instead. But I'm back in my grandfather's driveway in Colorado. It's cold, but I've got 2 months, and I'm turning this into an awesome camper van. So I hope you guys stick around, because there should be some great content coming out. There she is. And whoever had the bright idea of building a camper van in the winter, it's not a very bright person, but it's begun. I've got the wall insulation in. I've been fixing some rust in here, so it smells like paint. Insulation, everything's ready. As soon as we get good weather, the roof is coming off. So I'll keep you guys updated on this. And yeah, stay warm out there.